This is my son Christy singing a song. The Black Skinned Jesus. Go on, Christy.
My father rises early and he makes a cup of tea. He lights the kitchen stove and then he calls me. His days are often empty, he's nothing much to do. So he sits and tells me stories of the traveller life he knew.
Go on, Christy.
In the evening they would meet in lonely country lanes. I feel the way you'd hear a coddy bar. So they'd pass the time away, where they talk about the day, standing around the campfire in the dark. Standing around the campfire in the dark. My mother lights the house, the hot water and the...
Go on, the Black Skins.
It's warm in the winter, she's handy with the broom. Sometimes she make cork cannon or awful brittle bread. There's a hunger deep inside her for her traveller life that's dead. In the evening she would lift a black pot from the coal. A bit the way she always would remember.
Well, anyhow, however, up the Black Skinned Jesus. How do I pause that? How do I pause that? That's campfire.